Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Katie. I'm currently on Weight Watchers, trying to lose a bit of weight. I have a breast reduction coming up April 25th, so I'm so excited. I am actually going to be filming that whole experience for y'all as well, so stay tuned for that. But today's going to be a video of what I have chosen to eat today. This is not what I eat every single day. I am working today. I have my little daycare kiddos coming very soon, and I'm not too hungry right now, so I'm going to make myself a protein coffee, which I start off my morning with almost every morning. Sometimes probably like 4 or 5 times a week I have this drink, and it is so freaking good. I switch it up a little bit. And then after I get off work, I'm going to my sister's, and my fiance and my son usually always go there on I think Tuesday evenings, every other Tuesday evenings, to play some board games and stuff with her and her husband and her daughter. And I never get to go because I'm working late, so I am actually off early today and I get to go, so that'll be very fun. I think we're doing like pizza for dinner and all that. I will show y'all what I track it as point-wise and things like that. These are the days that I want to show you can still enjoy what you're eating, even if you are on a weight loss journey, to just not obviously have pizza every single, like you can have pizza every single day, but you got to put it into your points. So I'm going to show that even if I go a little over my points today, I do feel like that's what weeklies are for. If you're not familiar with Weight Watchers, weeklies are, you know, I get 23 points a day, and then I'm pretty sure 28 weeklies. So if you do go over your daily 23 points, or how many points you have, you can use your weekly points, but then you also earn more weekly points the more you work out. So we are doing well with that. I forgot to put my Fitbit on, so I need to go grab that, but stay tuned to see what I eat today. Right, I'm going to show y'all how I make my iced protein coffee for the morning. Have my glass with a lot of ice, going in with some cold brew concentrate. I can't have that much coffee because it does upset my stomach, so I do a little splash like that for just flavor. And I love chai, so I'm going to go in with this skinny chai latte right here. Put a splash of that in there, of the salted caramel Tirani syrup. This right here I thought was sugar-free, so I made a mistake on that one. Next time I gotta make sure it's sugar-free. Then we're gonna go in with the Fairlife protein shake and add her in there. And this is my favorite part. I love watching them mix together. Okay, I got my breakfast, so I made these protein pancakes. I'll show y'all how in just a moment. I added a few chocolate chips to them in the recipe, you'll see. I'm just having 2 because one of them is 2 points, so this is going to be a 4-point breakfast. I tried to make it look pretty with the strawberries and bananas, but it kind of looks silly. Anyway, added strawberries and bananas, which is 0 points. I did add a few sprays of the Can't Believe It's Just Not Butter. Can't believe it's not butter. That's what it's called. And I'm going to do about this much syrup. And there we have a delicious looking breakfast. All right, these are my favorite pancakes to use. I know the Kodiak ones are very popular, but those do upset my stomach. This is the Birch Benders plant protein, and I just used the serving size. I'm pretty sure I added some cinnamon, some turmeric, and some vanilla extract, and then I just added in the correct amount of water and then put them on top of my griddle. And I also added a few of the zero sugar added dark chocolate chips. And since I only put like 2 or 3 on each pancake, I didn't count those in because it wouldn't have even added like a point. But these were absolutely delicious and extremely filling. If you have a sweet tooth like I do in the morning, this is a great option to have.
I forgot. I was going to try to make it look fancy and put some Ready Whip on here. There we go. Maybe one right there. Okay. How cute does that look?
Next up is lunchtime. For some reason, I guess I deleted the previous post on how I made this salad, but it was just romaine lettuce, spinach, the air fried chicken nuggets, cranberries, and I put some Skinny Girl ranch in there, some green apples, and some protein chips for like croutons. But the nice thing is, like, we're at my sister Sarah's house, and here is her puppy. He's so really cute.
It's been a while.
He's like, okay, I'll let you do it.
Hi. God, he's so cute. Tippy.
This one, no hobbies.
Tippy.
He's so confused.
Reese, you want to help Matt get that board set up?
Sure.
Tippy.
Okay.
So I had some pizza for dinner and some like fruit salad and the rest leftover popsicle that my son didn't eat. I do want to mention to y'all that my Weight Watchers app did expire, so I didn't repurchase it. So if I don't have the points up on the screen, I apologize.
Okay, so we made it home. I need to shower, but I wanted a little more of something sweet. So I made these frozen grapes with the 0 sugar Jello like powder over the top. This one's blue raspberry, and then this one is the Starburst pink, which I've never tried. So we'll try this one first. Hunter's watching Stranger Things in the background, so don't mind that. This is what it looks like. Like I said, this is the all pink Starburst Jello pack.
Basically, there are parallel universes, just like our world, but just infinite variations of it. Which means there's a world out there where none of this tragic stuff ever happened.
Yeah, that's not what we're talking about.
Cold.
We're talking about more of the evil version, like the little cat.
Not sure I'm a fan
You know the little cat?
of that flavor. The blue raspberry one. This one right here. These are the best.
An acrobat.
So good.
And the tiger is our dimension. And our dimension has rules. You can move forwards
And green grape.
or backwards. But
Green grapes are the best to do this on.
there is
Yeah.
and the flea can also travel back.
Alright, y'all. So that is the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. I'm ready to take a shower and the night. I'm not going to eat anything else for the rest of the day. I'm going to just have some water, call it a night. Pretty chill, kind of unplanned meals for today. The pizza was pretty good. And like the little fruit salad was really good. Did go over my points like you saw, but I used some of my Weeklies. Hey, that's what they're there for. Especially when you have like, you go out to like a family gathering and you don't want to bring your own meal, because I did not prep my own meal. I was going to make chili, but I'm going to do that tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this, what I eat in a day on Weight Watchers. And today was a chill day. I did not get a workout in because I have been having a lot of cramps lately. I had two cyst rupture in a matter of a few week period, so that was really rough. and my body is trying to just get back to normal. So, yeah. I'll see y'all in my next one.